Lesson 1, Studying. Here are the vocabulary words. Part 1, Academic Subjects. Biology, biology. Chemistry, chemistry. Physics, physics. Mathematics, mathematics. Computer science, computer science. History, history. Philosophy, philosophy. Sociology, sociology. Part 2, Politics, politics. Law, law. Linguistics, linguistics. Literature, literature. Business studies, business studies. Economics, economics. Engineering, engineering. Medicine, medicine. Study activities vocabulary. Lectures, lectures. Essay, essay. Presentation, presentation. Homework, homework. Project, project. Graduate, graduate. Scholarship, scholarship. Tuition, tuition. That's it. Thank you so much. Goodbye.